Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to fix the desktop icon black issue if there is black icon on your desktop icons. So in this video quickly I will show you how to resolve them. First of all, you need to open the run command. You can press Windows plus R button here and type here percentage local app data and percentage and press OK key or enter. Now you need to go to view and hover up to show and click on hidden devices, hidden items, and once you see that this icon cache.db, you just need to click on delete option here, and once you delete it, check if that is able to fix your issue or not. If that is still not able to fix your issue, what you can do is again press Windows plus R, type as sysdm.cpl, go to advanced, then this option, and you need to untick this option, use shadow icon for the labels on the desktop. Once you untick this option, click on apply, click on OK, and see if that is able to fix the issue or not. If still not working for you guys, what you can do is you can open the command prompt as admin and type this command sfc /scan now. And once you hit this command, you have to restart your Windows after that, and hopefully your issue will be resolved. If this is also unable to fix your issue and your system has created a system restore point on your computer, so you can restore your system to backdate. Just you can select the restore point with the latest date when there was no issue with your, you can click on show more options and go to previous date, hit next, click on finish and click on yes, and your system will be restored to the working days when there was no issue on your computer. If nothing works for you guys, I should suggest you to reset your PC or reinstall the fresh window on your computer. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.